Welcome to the Startup Funding Espresso. I'm Hall T. Martin, where we talk about how to raise funding and invest in startups and the time it takes to drink an espresso. If you have a question about startup funding or investing, please go to the website, startupfundingespresso.com, and type in your question into the chat bot in the lower right corner to receive an answer. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hello, this is Hall T. Martin with the Startup Funding Espresso, your daily shot at startup funding and investing. Angel investors are familiar with startups raising funding who come through their normal channels. Deals are often submitted on their software platform or referred by a trusted source. In the world of crowdfunding, startups come through a new compliance channel called RegCF. The startup posts their deal on a software platform that allows anyone to invest using the RegCF compliance rather than Reg D compliance. Investors see an overview of the investment, a video describing how it works, and some documents for diligence. The crowdfunding platform provides some diligence information. Here's how an angel investor should diligence that startup. First, the crowdfunding platform checks for compliance with the RegCF requirements, but has not necessarily performed the usual checks for investor diligence. For example, the financials are not audited, so the investor must verify the financials provided. Check the team to see how much experience they have and what role they currently play in the startup. The product may look like it's ready to go, but the investor should verify the current status. The deal has a valuation, but is rarely stated in clear terms. The investor should check to see what is the proposed valuation and if it is market rate. And finally, the investor should check the terms of the offering to see what rights the investor have, if any. Consider these steps in diligencing a crowdfunding deal. Thank you for joining us for the Startup Funding Espresso, where we help startups and investors connect for funding. Let's go start listening to today. Hall T. Martin is the director of Investor Connect, which is a 501c3 nonprofit dedicated to the education of investors for early stage funding. All opinions expressed by Hall and podcast guests are solely their own opinions and do not reflect the opinion of Investor Connect. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be relied upon as a basis for investment decisions.